Hi everybody, this is June 20th, and I ended up doing 30 minutes of cardio, burned about 200 calories, and the farrier is over there. I had one horse done so far, and getting the second one done, and I have one more after that. The other two got done last week, and the heavy breathing that you're hearing is my little horse, Mouse. He's laying on my lap. Can you hear him breathing? That was his nose. But he's laying on my lap. Right there. Chance, that's Chance right there in the background. He's the one I'm going to show Saturday. And then that's Romeo, right there. So, and my mom is right over there. Anyway, my little boy, Mouse, was laying down, taking a nap. So, I wanted to come lay with him for a little bit. He's so cute. See him? I can't tell if this is showing his body or not. But he's laying on my lap, and actually Chance just laid down in the background. He's gonna take a sun bath. Anyway, so let's see. Bad lighting for bicep flex. Yeah, so I did 30 minutes this morning on the bike and had one bottle of water so far, and my breakfast was one of my cottage cheese snacks with pineapple on the side, so I had that, and just relaxing right now. When the farrier gets done, I'm gonna ride my boy Chance over there. This is Thursday. The show's Saturday, so I have two more days of riding. I didn't ride the last 2 days. It was pretty windy, so got to make sure I ride today and tomorrow. And just wanted to say hi. Let you see my little boy laying on my lap. He's so cute. Seems like there was something else I was gonna say, but I don't remember what it was. I guess that's it. Just was gonna tell you about my breakfast too. And there's ants down here. I'm not gonna stay here very long. I don't want one to crawl up my pants and bite me. So anyway, this is Clifta's Daily Fitness Update, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And I'm going to try bicep flex this way. There we go.